The President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu graced the opening ceremony of the 16th Asian Organization of Supreme Audit Institution (ASOSAI) Assembly, being organized by the Controller and Auditor General (CAG) of India in New Delhi today, September 24, 2024. Speaking on the occasion, the President said that the CAG of India plays a key role in ensuring transparency and accountability in the country's public finance. It was not without reason that the Indian Constitution vested the office of CAG with a wide mandate and complete autonomy. She was happy to note that the office of the CAG has lived up to the expectations of the constitution makers. It follows a strict code of ethical and moral conduct that ensures the highest order of probity in its functioning. The President said that the mandate of public sector audits has expanded beyond traditional auditing to include assessing the effectiveness of public welfare schemes and projects, ensuring that they serve all citizens equitably. She stated that in an increasingly technology-driven world, more and more public services are being delivered using technology. Audit, therefore, needs to keep up with technological evolution in order to be able to perform its oversight functions effectively. The President said that today, we are at a critical juncture where emerging digital technologies like artificial intelligence, data analytics, machine learning and geospatial technology are becoming the backbone of modern governance. Digital Public Infrastructure, DPI, serves as the foundation to support and enhance the functioning of the digital economy and services provided to citizens. From digital identities to e-governance platforms, DPI has the potential to revolutionize the delivery of public services and goods, making them more accessible, efficient, and inclusive. The President said that in many parts of the world, women in vulnerable sections of the society have less access to digital technologies, fewer opportunities to develop digital skills, and are underrepresented in the digital economy. This divide not only limits their ability to access essential services but also perpetuates inequality. This is where the role of Supreme Audit Institutions, SAIS, becomes crucial. As auditors, they have the unique responsibility and opportunity to ensure that digital public infrastructure is designed and implemented in a way that is inclusive and accessible to all. The President said that the financial world is often beset by opaque accounting practices. In this setting, the role of independent Supreme Audit Institutions is to see that public resources are managed efficiently, effectively and with the utmost integrity. Audits and evaluations by SAIS not only safeguard public funds but also enhance public confidence in governance.